Hello students, how are you? Do you remember what I taught yesterday? Okay students, today I will teach you about next point of determiners. And next point is quantitatives or determiners of quantity. Words like some, any, little, few, much, no, etc. are determiners of quantity. Use of some and any. Where we can use some and any. Some and any, both these words refer to quantity as well as number. दोनों शब्द क्वांटिटी को और नंबर को रेफर करते हैं. सम. इट इज यूज्ड इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेज. इसका प्रयोग हम सकारात्मक वाक्यों में कर सकते हैं. इट मीन्स सिंपल सेंटेंसेज के अंदर. देर आर सम बुक्स ऑन द टेबल. इट इज अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, सो वी विल पुट सम हेयर. Second, there is some milk in the glass. It is also affirmative sentence, so we will put some here. Next, B. In those interrogative sentences, when the speaker expects an affirmative answer or positive answer, इसका प्रयोग उन पूछताछ वाले वाक्यों में किया जाता है जब स्पीकर को यह आशा होती है कि उसको सकारात्मक आंसर मिलेगा. Don't you have some money? Were not there some boys in the room? In both examples, the speaker expects the positive answer of the question, so we will put some here. Next, any. It is used in negative sentences. इसका प्रयोग नकारात्मक वाक्य में किया जाता है. He has not solved any question. It is a negative sentence, so we will put any here. It is used in interrogative sentences when the speaker expects a negative answer. इसका प्रयोग उन पूछताछ वाले वाक्यों में किया जाता है जब स्पीकर को यह आशा होती है कि उसको नकारात्मक आंसर मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, is there any milk in the glass? Have you any problem? The both examples, the speaker expects the negative answer, so we will put here any, both examples. In those sentences in which forbidding or prohibition is implied, we use any. जहाँ पर उसको लगता है कि मनाही है. In such cases, any is generally used with the following words. Where we find these words, we will put any in the fill in the blanks. Prevent, without. Prevent is verb. Without preposition. Hardly, scarcely adverb. For example, we reached there without any difficulty. Without, so we will put here any. Please try to prevent any loss of goods on the way. Prevent, so we will use any. Next, any is used in such phrases as mean no matter which. इसका प्रयोग उन वाक्यांश में किया जाता है जिसमें नो मैटर विच मीन्स कोई बात नहीं, इस प्रकार की जो बात लगती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन एनी केस, at any rate, on any day, at any hour. In any case, किसी भी अवसर पर. At any rate, किसी भी कीमत पर. On any day, किसी भी दिन. At any hour, किसी भी समय. First, you can come on any day you like. तो on any day, तो we will put any here. I can meet him at any hour of the day. At any hour, so we will put any here. Have you understood it very well, students? Okay. Tomorrow I will teach you about next points of determiners. Thank you.